Hello everyone, today I will bring you go to the port to welcome to the Costa Serena cruise, and then I will on board today. Welcome on board everyone, this is Costa. This is Phu Quoc. This is the really lucky days for me today because it's one of my best friend, also my sister. She is the supervisor on Costa Serena. Today arrived Phu Quoc Islands, and then she make a visitor card for me to come and visit her. And then now she treats me to eat, enjoy at her restaurant, our last restaurant. Yeah, enjoy with me. Thank you. This is Phu Troc. She is the one to invite me to visit Costa Serena today. Thank you, Troc. I love you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Next time again, please.
Sure.
Thank you.
Please.
Yes, okay. Welcome to my cooking class soon. I will teach you Vietnamese. Okay. Thank you. This is visitor card. Okay, now we finish the plan to visit Costa Serena today. Then I will go out with the room member of Costa and finish 4 hours today. So we go back home now.